people, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can fix if sound doesn't work in your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any other version of Apple device while playing any game. So I hit this game, resume, continue, you see Subway Surfer. I don't listen anything. Not only that, any game I put the same thing. So how you can fix this one? If I put volume here up, volume is full, you see. So no matter which game you put on, there is no sound. So in this case, in some old version of iPhone, you have a mute button here. You can push one way to another to put it on, but in iPhone 16 Pro Max or iPhone 16 you don't have those buttons anymore. And this button, when I click, is appear a few things, but it's not working in this case. So what you can do in this case, you have to go inside the setting option. In setting, you have to go all the way down where you see sound and haptic feedback. Click this one. See at the top is a silent mode is activated. You have to off the silent modes. Now you can go back to setting, do few more things to be confirmed. You have to go to Bluetooth here. In Bluetooth check, you turn it off. Perhaps sometime the phone is connected with some unknown Bluetooth speaker or your earpods or the device. So better turn this off. Later you can turn it on as well as you like. Then you can go later accessibility, go inside, audio and visual here. In this case, go down, make it sure the balance, it should be at the middle, not totally left to right, so you listen both speaker properly. Put in balance exactly at the middle position as this. Now slide from the corner down, check the volume. This one, the volume should be full. Let's try now. Let's go to the game, Subway Surfer. Awesome. Resume. It's working, guys. Lovely. So this is the way you can fix the sound issue of your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.